everyone, my name is Shayla. I am an adult services librarian at the main branch of CCPL, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to make chai at home. Chai is an everyday tea that is served in the mornings in India and other Southeast Asian countries. There are various spices in this tea, but the core spices are cinnamon, you have cardamom seeds, you have black peppercorns, cloves, and ginger. As far as the tea itself is concerned, the body of the tea, it's usually black tea. Preferably it's Darjeeling, but sometimes you can just use regular black tea. Also, as far as sweetening the tea, you can use sugar, either a white or brown, and sometimes honey is used. And as far as a cream component, it's usually whole milk. CCPL has a lot of resources for Indian cooking and Indian culture in many of our branches. For more detailed information, you can definitely visit one of our branches to discover that. Also, there are plenty of Indian grocery stores in the Charleston area. You can go visit those places as well. The shopkeepers certainly have a wealth of knowledge on what is in their grocery stores. There are various spices, flours, and other pantry staples that are used in Indian cooking. The store that we went to get the green cardamom seeds, the shopkeeper was very helpful in telling us all about how he makes chai, how chai is made differently in other regions of India, and he even let us sample some of his chai in his shop, which it was very delicious. This is one way to do chai from the many ways to do chai, so it does vary. So let me show you what ingredients I have for this recipe of chai. First, we have some ginger. It's like a 2-inch piece of ginger that I've sliced. We also have 2 cinnamon sticks right here. I have some cloves right here. I have about 10 cloves. I have some green cardamom seeds. There's about 6 of those. And then 2 teaspoons of our black peppercorns. As far as the tea, I have some black tea bags right here. Like I said, Darjeeling is usually used in that. However, if you absolutely cannot find Darjeeling, regular black tea should be fine. The sweetener, you can use either white or brown sugar. I have brown sugar right here. You also need 6 cups of water, and then 2 cups of whole milk. As far as our tools needed, I have a mallet right here, and of course a nice deep pot. So what I'm going to start to do is I'm going to go ahead and put all the spices into the bottom of the pot. And just like this. And now I'm going to set the pot down, and I'm going to take the back of this mallet, and I'm going to lightly crush the spices. basically what you're doing with this is you're just breaking them up a little bit. As you can see, might be no real change. You're just kind of cracking open the peppercorns and the cloves and just crushing up the ginger a little bit. Okay, that should be enough for that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add our 6 cups of water. Okay, and now I am going to put this on the stove on high heat to bring it up to a boil. And then I'm going to turn it down to medium-low heat in order for it to simmer. And this is going to simmer for 10 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the stove now, and I will come back with the spices all simmered. Okay, everyone, this is how your spices are going to look after they've been boiling for 10 minutes. So now the next thing I'm going to do is take our 6 bags of black tea, and we're just going to put them in there. And they are going to steep for 5 minutes, and then we will add our other 2 ingredients to finish off the tea. Okay, now that our tea has been steeping for 5 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and remove the tea bags. And now we're going to add in our brown sugar and our 2 cups of milk. And we'll just whisk it around a little bit. And we're going to go ahead and put this back on the stove to simmer for a couple more minutes, just so the sugar can dissolve. And once we do that, we will be finishing up our chai. Okay, and this is the final result of our chai. What we're going to do is we're going to take our mug and we're going to strain the chai into our mug with the strainer on top. So this was the easiest way to do this. So you'll take a little bit with a ladle and just strain it right into the mug. Don't need all the spices in there. You just want the flavor of the spices. Okay. And now I will show you the final product of the chai tea. Okay, everyone, here is the final result of the chai tea. I'll get in a little bit closer so you can see the final result right here. Now, this recipe is going to be included in our Take and Make activity for cup koozies coming this fall. So be on the lookout for that at the main branch. I want to thank you for watching this demonstration on making chai. I really had a lot of fun making this recipe for you, and I hope once you get the recipe, you can try it out for yourself. And we hope to see you soon at the library, and take care. Bye-bye.